Buenos dias, guys. I am so freaking happy that Spain won the World Cup because I'm sorry, guys, but Argentina just couldn't let them win. And I'm currently in Barcelona, so there was a big party last night, so it was amazing. But we need to go back to work, of course. It's Monday, a new week, new trading week. Let's see if there are any opportunities. Starting off with Euro USD, as always. Not much has happened. Like the same as always currently for this year. It's been a hard market to trade on. As you can see, it's just consolidative and it's not only on EURUSD but multiple pairs. So you have to figure out which one is really usable to trade, also in line with any fundamentals. But to go on with the dollar pairs or anything against the dollar, with EURUSD, of course, we're still just broke structure on a daily. So for me, it's risky to look for any shorts right now. Maybe some short-term shorts, but not for long-term. As you can see, we took out this liquidity point, and this is based off on the 4-hour. So if you go back to the 4-hour, what you can see is we took out that high, and we still have this one left. And for me, this also being really strong towards the upside, there's no reason for me to immediately jump into, get into a short, and neither to set a limit and be like this. I mean, some people favor to do this. I don't like this. And also I don't like to look for shorts when we just broke structure on a higher time frame. So for me, EURUSD is a bit unclear. I was wanting to look for longs actually from here, like this low, so we can take out this, but this might not happen because we swept this low. So this could be a strong low for now, at least for the internal trend. So it's just a bit of a waiting game and see if you can break out to the upside, to look for further longs. So, like this, sweep it, and then go for further longs, or we just go immediately up and look for shorts from this high and see if that's gonna happen. But yeah, I actually don't see it happening that soon because of this market. So let's see. GBP USD on the other hand is moving a bit more clear. We took out major liquidity on the 4-hour. Thought it was daily, but it's on the 4-hour. We took out the descending highs and we saw a rejection of that. But the only problem is that on the 4-hour, what I would like to see is that we drop a little bit lower. Because I'm still looking for longs. I'm favoring longs because the internal structure is bullish and actually the daily is for me as well. I thought bullish as well. Yeah, because we didn't broke. We swept this low and now I'd like to see further upside. And on the 4-hour, for me, like this was a big push up and there's no liquidity within this big push up. So for me, I would like to see it coming back to this order block, or maybe at least swiping the order block is the best that I would wait for, and then look for further longs. No reason for shorts for me right now, because then we need to break structure again, and that will be breaking this 4-hour low before looking for further shorts. That's for GBP USD. AUDUSD, I'm looking for longs, and AUDUSD is, I think, the most clear pair for me right now, because on the daily, like I spoke about the last few videos, we're still in a bullish trend on the daily. We took out this liquidity, and on the 4-hour, we are bullish again on internal structure. And you can already see, like I did already some analysis. And with this swing, we got back into the 0.5 fib level. And I don't like placing limits around the market open or getting into a trade before the weekend. So for me, I'm currently looking for longs within this kind of price action for short term, and let's see if we can move up higher. I'm not really favoring shorts. The only thing why I can be favoring shorts because of the risk on momentum on the fundamentals right now, but furthermore, I'm following the technicals and the internal trend. Going on to USD GPY, not much to say about it. The only thing that is happening right now is that we're squeezing a little bit, and we can break out soon. Maybe this week, maybe next week, I don't know, but I'm not gonna gamble on an upside or an intervention to the downside. I'll just let this be. USD Swiss is also not really clear. Like, we're taking out the high, we're dropping down lower. I'm favoring for shorts because on a daily we took out major liquidity, all the internal liquidity as well. So that could give a reaction, and it did, but we're still ranging. So let's see. For me, I don't want to go into a short just immediately and look for further confirmation. USD CAD is totally unclear for me. I can analyze this what I want, but we're leaving liquidity everywhere, and I'm not looking for longs as well right now. So yeah, the last one, SAT USD, is also really clear. We took out this liquidity. For me, too bullish right now to look for any shorts. We can maybe move up higher to this point and look for further shorts from there on. So it's just for now a waiting game, and let's see what this week brings, because it's just Monday now, and let's see. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching.